You all know about this Spark Foundation internship, which you can see on the screen. This internship is now open. You can see different type of certificate on the LinkedIn and different type of other social media profiles of the students, where they mentioned that they completed internship in the Sparks Foundation. So this internship is very genuine, and I am just going to show you how you can also get this internship, which type of internship the Sparks Foundation offer, and after that internship, if there is any chances to do the continue to work in the Sparks Foundation. So we are going to talk all about this. So but firstly, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge, and this is channel is totally based on the educational contents and educational programs which any other companies offer for the students, and I will notify you. So if you want this type of education opportunities for you, so please subscribe my channel, because in this channel you got different type of free certification notification, also for free internships and paid internships, and also there is many videos on free goodies and swags from different type of companies. So let's start this video. So we are talking about the Sparks Foundation graduate rotational internship program. So here you can see their motto is learn, network and grow, because when you choose the Spark Foundation internship, so after that they train you firstly. After that they enhance your network through, because you all the Sparks Foundation members get connected with other, and if you get more and more connection, more and more network, then this is very basic that you can grow, because because your friend and other connection can notify you through your connection, that any type of internship is opening and any type of other opportunities. So that's why this is a very good internship, and I saw means all the students who completed this type of internship, they very appreciate this internship. So that's why I tell that this is a very genuine internship. So let's see, already 2,50,000 plus students joined for this type of internship in the past, and now they are hiring for now. So here you can see 2,50,000 plus amazing professional, 27 plus countries where they provide free internships, and also 50 plus batches. So now we are going to see all about this. So what is GRIP program? So this is a graduate rotational internship program, is an unique offer to students to and recent graduates to experience the joint Sparks Foundation. In addition to skills specific tasks, we encourage interns to build a credible professional profile. So how you can make your professional? So you can see here, you go after completing this internship program from Sparks Foundation, you got a verified completion certificate, which you can mention in any companies, and here you are going to work on different type of projects. That is much more important than any type of certificate. So that's the thing. A verifiable completion certificate is provided after successful completion of 1 month of internship, and after that opportunity to join TSF. What is TSF? You can see here, opportunity to be a part of TSF is a given to best candidates only, and they are hired on a special hiring plan. So if you perform outstanding, then you got other opportunities in the Sparks Foundation too. Next thing is networking opportunity. Connect with TSF members and interns or from around the world, experiencing multicultural and rare diverse working environment. That's I already mentioned before in the initial phase of this video. And after that, recommendation letter for the outstanding performers, workshop guidance. That's I already mentioned that different type of firstly they train you, and after that they give you some projects, and also in between there are some workshops and other type of things happen. So at the last you got a special badge. Badges are provided to recognize a special contribution and performance of the interns. So let's see which type of things are there. So there are three motive: inspiring, innovating and integrating. So you can read all about this when you go through this, and let's see. Firstly, there are different type of reviews from the students, which you can see on the screen. You can also read when you go through this. So let me go to the steps to apply. So here are the steps to apply. Apply before 24th August, means I making this video on 21st of August. So there is a 3 days remain to apply for this internship. And also the you got a selection email at the last week of August, means after 24th. Then next week is will be start, and you got the selection notification through the email, which email you are going to mention in the application process. Next thing is internship starts from first week of September. Submit of assignments of all the means the project they assign, you need to submit that before 21st of September. After 20, by 25 you need to provide feedback, and your completion certificate you will receive on the 1st of the October. So if you want any experience certificate and want to earn any experience in different type of branches which is related to tech and engineering field, so you are on the good place, means you are going to get this type of opportunities from this program only. So choose the program. I am just going to show you which type of programs are there. You can see diverse different type of programs are there. You can also refer your friends if you doesn't match this type of program. Web development is there, mobile app development is there, digital marketing, IoT and computer vision, data science and business analytics, campus semester, content development and talent acquisition. So if you can see where many type of internships are there, and you can choose anyone and go and apply for this. How you can apply? Now I'm just going to show you. In the third process you can see apply here. So firstly you can see all type of the internship branches you can apply for. The profile and function, you can, if you wants to know what type of thing is going on, will be assigned for any type of internship, so you just click on any type of thing, digital marketing, IoT, and you can see all type of tasks which you will get after choosing any type of branch. So next thing is apply here. You can here open the interest form. Here when there is an interest form written, just click on that and you got a specific means web page where you need to apply for this internship. So after, if you have any problem, then you can contact in different type of emails. So here you can see Greep the Sparks Foundation SG and Tech Sparks Foundation SG. This is the different emails, and also we will be communicated with this Sparks Foundation with these two emails only. So if you got any email from this foundation, means the Sparks Foundation, then you got from these two emails from only. So after that, submit details for background verification. They verify your credibility for the internship, that you are not faking your details. And after that, frequently asked questions. If you have any questions about this, you can just go and visit frequently asked question section, and your all doubts will be solved there. And also help and support are available. And if you have any type of problem, then you can drop your comment. Then anyone who already completed this Spark Foundation internships, he or she can reply you. And if you doesn't want to drop your comment, you just go through my Telegram group where you can join and you can explore. Means there are many members where you can talk. And also here there also the Sparks Foundation network is there. There you can communicate with the Sparks Foundation, so that your all the problem will be solved from there. So here this is the last, and you can here by after you can apply for this program. So as the at the last, there is an interest form, and this type of interest form you will get. And here there is very basic details required: email, full name, gender, highest academic qualification, year of graduation, college, university, contact number, country, preferred intensive function. And after that, different type of things which you can see here. Social media profile, if you wants to give, you can give, means where you get about this internship program. So here you can see referral from friend, campus placement coordinator, any type of thing you can mention here. And at the last, you can see here privacy policy and personal data policy. You can select yes, so that you can apply for this. this. And at the last there is a code, form code LF06. Here you doesn't need to edit it. This code is needed to apply for this internship, so doesn't edit it. So this is the whole thing about the Sparks Foundation internship, and I think you like this video. If you if you watch this video completely, then I think you have no doubts remain. And if you have any doubt, the thing which I already mentioned, that you can drop your comment. And also, if you like this video, please share with your friends, because this type of internship opportunity is very limited, where you are going to get free internship from any type of institution. Either institution give you internship for their benefits, or they give you internship with at that time you need to pay for your internship also. So that are the not good things. Here you are not going you are not doing any benefit of the Sparks Foundation. You are doing for your own development. You are doing internship for getting experience. So different type of projects and other things already, all the steps are developed by the Sparks Foundation. Already 2 lakh plus student completed that steps and get the credit, their internship completion certificate experience. So you all can apply for this, those who are eligible. And also, if you like this video, please doesn't forget to subscribe my channel. Please also share with your friends, so that they also can apply for this. So that's much in this video. Meet in the next video with one more interesting opportunity. So that, bye bye, thank you for watching.